So here we are, we're in Poundland today for our bargains.
First bargain!
Spotted something already.
Look.
What are you going to do with that?
Well, I think I might either paint them or decoupage them. But I foolishly said to Amanda, how much are they?
In Poundland?
In Poundland.
How much are they?
I think there might be
Starters
a pound.
for 10?
I think there might be a pound. Although,
I think that old lady dropped one.
I have seen items in here that are not a pound.
No,
So
go
what's
on.
that about? It's Poundland.
I don't know. We could have them up for trading standards, maybe.
Let's keep going. Perhaps not chase the lady.
No, she's definitely left something in her wake. Oh, check out your jacket. Ooh.
Oh, look, misters, guys.
What have you got? They are brilliant. You know, if you're going away on holiday and what have you, but it's the misters. I wish they had a pack just of misters.
Yeah, but for a pound, come on.
Okay.
That's like 20p an item.
Okay. Yeah, I hear you. I'll give you that. Still like 5 misters for a pound.
Oh, I found an idea for you here.
What?
Looky see.
Looky see, looky see. What have you got?
Now, we all know Amanda has a significant glasses situation. Significant.
Oh, I do.
Reading glasses for a pound and a case so that she doesn't break the arms off. And she could personalise them and make it her own.
Can. I like the fact that it's really plain.
Yeah, I like that.
Yes.
Bonuses, Amanda no longer has to perch just the glasses bit on her nose.
Now listen, one of my pairs of specs, I have got one arm to it. It's wibbly, I grant you, but it's still there. But I think that, yeah, that could be a...
That's...
Yeah. That could be a plus,
Yes.
couldn't it?
Okay. And these are indeed a pound.
Are you sure? Have you checked?
And they really are very cheap to fill, but the shape is quite nice and I like the rope.
Yeah, I think you can do a
I
lot
think
with
you
that.
could make that into something nice.
Yeah, really personalise that.
Yeah,
Sort of gift
quite like that
wise.
for a pound.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Okay.
I hear you. What else?
Oh.
What are they looking to? Oh,
Now again, tacky as hell, but aged up with some stone effect.
be perfect. I
Actually
like that.
look like quite a nice candle.
I do like that.
Of course, we're all back to the candles. And
Yes.
That's just why we want to try and do something a bit different. We've got vases, which obviously you did last
Yeah, we've done
and they are
vases.
significantly cheaper because they're only a pound. The one you got
Yeah,
was £6.
It was 6,
wasn't
and
it?
I was umming and ahhing over that. So
And the frames here, like the project that I showed you, these are only a pound. And it really doesn't matter what the underneath of,
no,
of it
no.
looks
And
like.
I like the, as you say, they need to have sort of quite wide frames,
Yeah.
don't they, to do that.
So that works.
Perfect.
Okay.
Anything else? Lots of dining wear.
I found me a rolling pin.
What, Punch and Judy?
I was thinking more like rolling out the primer clay myself.
Yeah.
If you had little cutters that you wanted to cut stuff out of.
Yes, yeah. No, I hear you now. Yes, it's not just Punch and Judy, is it?
No, it's just your
No.
evil mind.
Really?
Okay. For any of you that have got a booth
A
or a
booth?
pitch,
A booth?
these are a really cheap way of making the floor look decent. These are like a pound. You get
What is it?
3, but they are I think they're a foot square.
Oh, sticky tiles.
Sticky tiles. And they do them in different patterns. So that's
Oh,
quite
I
a
like
nice
that one.
quite kitcheny.
Yeah, but it's quite smart. I like that.
Yeah, and they literally just stick.
I could do that at the Bridge House, couldn't
You
I?
could.
Not that one so much.
And I've got some adhesive paper. I'm not sure I'm over the moon about this style, but if you wanted to put that as backing in a piece of furniture,
And it's cheap enough, isn't
it's
it?
cheap, it sticks.
If that's what you need, then this is the place to come.
It's a pound. It's a pound. Look, I've got some smooth wet or dry sand blocks. That's not bad.
That's not bad
for
at
a
all,
pound.
actually. Oh, and that's good if you're doing your wallpapering. You've got your plumb line for a pound.
Yeah,
My husband had to make his in metalwork class.
really good.
Still got it now.
Really good. Oh, good grief.
Oh, good grief! What have you got?
Good grief, what? We have sparkly glitter glue sticks. And look, it's not even just gold and silver, it's red, green and blue. That is the most hideous thing I've ever seen in my life.
That's not going in the basket.
And to add insult, it's not £1.
No, I'm not having any of that. Not having any of that. No, thank you.
I found a very useful thing for Amanda. Underwear, you may ask.
You cheeky
It's a
madam.
stick-on bra. Or, look, you get 5 pairs for £1.
Breast uplifters.
And you get tape. Tape and everything.
Yeah, right, you know. What are you trying to say?
It's really disappointing when you unclip it though, isn't it? And everything falls.
Well, it's generally like a bra anyway, isn't it?
I think we should give that a miss.
Anything down here? It's all sort of seasonal stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I've just found in the wedding section, and there's a Mr. and a Mrs., but there's also a 21, a signature box where you get everyone on the day to sign, which I think is quite a nice idea.
Well, you could decoupage it or something, couldn't you? But I like the
Yeah,
idea
I
of
mean,
the
you can see how
signatures.
cheap it is because that one's
That
completely
one's-
snapped.
Yeah,
but,
it
you
is,
know.
isn't it?
The other idea I really like,
You and your jars, what have you got?
well, this is a memory jar and it seems to have things in it, but when I was a student and I really liked this, I used a jar very similar to this as an inspiration jar, and I made myself angel cards that went inside with an inspirational thought for the day. So every day I'd open it and just pick one out, and that was my motivational thought for the day.
I see.
Positive. And I like that idea.
Yeah. Not my thing, but yeah.
Wow. How to catch a spider sign. How useful is that? Scream loudly and then run as fast as you can to get a glass and run as fast as you can out of the house and call your neighbour to come get it.
So you.
It's obvious. How can somebody have their hand that close to a spider? That is just ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Being afraid of them is ridiculous.
No, not at all. They are man-eating.
Really? Have you decided on what you're going to do? Because I think I have.
I think I have.
What are you going to do?
I think she might win. Wait and see. Much persuasion.
It didn't take much persuasion at all, did it?
Mum's gonna do the glasses.
I'm going to
Do you know
do the
what you want?
glasses in case. I am a 3.5, so choose a nice
Max.
style for me.
Should we go? Dear.
What would suit, madam?
It's grey. I quite like the
No,
black.
I don't do
you like the
grey.
black? Yeah, that one's not got a lens. That's not a good start.
No,
is
they
it?
do fall out, honestly. They do fall out. No, they look like lambs. No, definitely not.
All right. Well, we'll let you choose.
I might go for those brown ones. I think I've had those before.
Those.
Yeah.
Going in the basket.
Going in the basket. That's me done.
I'm going with these. I'm just really tempted to see if they
you-
turn
you
into
were
something
feeling
pretty. I
those, aren't
was,
you?
yeah. I'm going to have to buy some batteries, so I'll get some batteries here so that I can show you what they look like. So my bargain will probably be £2 this week.
With the batteries included. Well, I'd spent £2 on mine.
Yeah, £2 a piece.
Do you want £2 a
Bargain.
piece? Let's do this.
Tune in and see what we're going to do with them.
It's going in the basket.